Roy Miller, attorney at law.
Well, we're going now to Bellevue to say put down the guns and let love reign. Then we're going to go all the way over to Fort Hill and we're going to say put down the guns, let love reign. Mama, your sons are coming home with open arms, and love will replace the pain. Then we're going now to Bloomfield. If we say put down the guns, let love reign, then we're going to ride over to Unionville and say put down the guns, let love reign. God, I present to you the son that you knew. He's come back home, and love will replace the pain. Then we're going to go over to Bird City and say, put down the guns, let love reign. And then we're going to go over to Pleasant Hill and say, put down the guns, let love reign. God saw in us a son whom he could trust. Rediscover your heart. There's no shame. Let love replace the pain. Let love reign. 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 Let love reign.
Roy Miller, attorney at law.